I would like to share how you can share your own company information to other AutoCount users. As you remember this function, master data customer, where we are able to use getting function. You get to search for the information of other companies if they are shared across the AutoCount network. So let's say today you want to volunteer to share this information out so that your supplier is able to search you easily. We can go to settings, company profile. There is a share company tax information button over here. You can just click on this button. It will prompt a confirmation message and just click yes. A validated email will be sent to you. I should receive an email validation code over here. I just need to copy and paste this validation code and click submit. Once it is submitted, your own company information will be shared. Let's go back to master data customer. When we click on new, let's say I search for myself AutoCount Sandran Berhad, you will be able to search your own company info. So this means that you actually share your own company info to any AutoCount users out there to obtain your information easily. So this is another feature that AutoCount provides to help in the preparation for e-invoice.